All right, Cars Garage people, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix stuff like this on your trim. You guys can see something spilled. I bought this car for like $2 grand and it's got something spilled here and there's a difference in color and black. So I'm gonna bring this back with some of this Leather Balm stuff right here and I'll show you guys how to do it real quick. I've actually got some right here in the cap. Put that like that. Got me a little swab. You can use a paintbrush or something. I'm just gonna do a little spot just to kind of show you guys. Dabbing in here. You're gonna notice that this stuff is almost like leather. Almost, it's real thick. Put it on there, kind of blend it in. And then we're gonna use the sponge. I'm gonna do the whole thing so everything's even. I am gonna tape off all this because I don't want any to get on here. I'm just doing this first part just for video purposes. I'm gonna get that in there. Okay, get as much of it off because we're gonna use the orange sponge to kind of really, we're going to use this to kind of really smooth it in there. So now that you see it, you're just going to go like this and kind of smooth it in there. This stuff dries really quick, so be careful. You can see it's already back. There are little blotches or whatever. So I have this leather conditioner that I've used before. And once it's on there, you go over the whole thing with that and it looks a lot better. So I'll go ahead and finish up the door and then I'll show you guys the end result. All right, so it's a little wet in some spots, but you can see the difference. You can still see the stain there, which I'm gonna do that versus the top part. And I haven't gone over it with the other stuff. I'm just kind of using the sponge. I'm actually using the sponge, dabbing it in here and just wiping it on. Gonna do a few coats and get it all back to nice. It won't be perfect, but it'll be better than a visual stain. This side doesn't have it. This side looks normal. But for some reason, something spilled on this side, so just fixing it up. All right, so that's it. Came out good. Came out really good. No more streaks or nothing. Everything is even. I did do a nice layer of this stuff after. So once that's on there, and it's super hot today, it kind of cooks and looks better than that side. That's, oh, sorry. That side looks all ashy and crazy. And then this side looks all nice and wet. That nice wet, new leather feeling. Nothing's coming off. It's in there. So I thought about doing the steering wheel. As you guys can see, I can maybe do like half or whatever, but I might just continue on with the car. It's super dusty, so I'll just go ahead and clean it up. But stuff works pretty good on plastic too. Just wiped over all the pieces after with just the leather conditioner. But yeah, that's how you do it. Quick little tutorial. It doesn't matter. I got this stuff off of Amazon, but it doesn't matter where you get it. As long as you get, especially, it works best if you have black, because if you have other colors, it might be like a different red or a different brown or a different tan. But black is black, so it's perfect. So I even have my truck. I might do my truck as well. Just some trim pieces in there. So yep, just get you some of this stuff. Doesn't matter where you get it from, and go ahead, do that. I do recommend this as the second step for sure. Now, I like chemical guy stuff, so you guys can use it if you want to. But yeah, this is how you do it. Stay tuned for the next video, Cars Garage. All right, guys, for shits and giggles, I decided to do the steering wheel, and you guys can see the hard line. I did use the conditioner, but I used the black stuff first, the black conditioner first. Right here, I used this stuff first. Boom, on this side. It did want to stick to this, so I had to just use some cleaner. Wipe it off these metal parts, but you guys can see the vast difference. Yeah, there's a huge chunk taken out of the steering wheel. That's why I have this right here, but ignore that. This car was just $2,000. So, and this radio, this thing, I love this thing. Check out that video. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest, but I'm just showing you guys how good this stuff is, this combination, this right here and this right here. And I did use this on a refurb on our, we got a leather couch and we're selling it. We found it. I refurbished it. The couch looked like trash. I used this combination of this stuff and that stuff for a leather couch, brought it back. Now it's on Facebook Marketplace to flip it. So this stuff works really good. I definitely recommend it.